Ebusia kase fila o fila. Ebusia. So many informations egu yensem wa hase. Na ene die na me de bro no eye emuno twan latest. I want you guys to stay with me like I always say. Now guys, there's something new I'm bringing on board, okay? Now, I want you guys to go to my YouTube and become a member, okay? Be a member of this YouTube channel. In that case, anytime I post a video, that video will hit you very first. As soon as the video is published, you'll be the first person to get the video and watch, and then you can comment, okay? So just go through my video and just go through my YouTube channel. You can hit to be a member. Just be there to be a member so we can share ideas and all that together. Baby, today what I have for you, it will blow your mind. From Jataba to barrista to Agogo, so whatever they call him, Ewo Igbo King, a fake Igbo King, it will blow your mind what those guys are doing. Okay, it will blow your mind. All right, now your comments are very, very important. We respect your comment and we comment back to you guys as well. Another video on the 17th of October now, Dr. Hassan Ayariga Emma Otumetumu that day Igbo King, and as a fake Igbo King Obeila Obekoinfan. That will be the next video that I'll bring to you guys. Now, if you want me to share the interior, comment below, say, top gossip, I want to know, I want to know, I want to know. Yanko TV video, Ebusia, for today. Ebusia, today you are welcome back to another edition of Exposés. Now, sina me catch him, Ushamia, Niaobekani say, Ushamia, all you have to say is say, info a day here, badam, we get them beam. Yes, when you meet me here, this is your humble servant right here on this platform, Top Gossip 24, and we have it here. We're going to share with you guys another information. Yes, Haka. Now I told you guys yesterday in my other video that I'll tell you guys what Jataba is doing in the Atasa, aka fake Igbo King in Ifeho, what Jataba is doing. Okay, I told you guys I will bring exclusive to you guys with what that guy is doing. Now the PRO, I understand say PRO no Oyenkrenny. This man, his name is Agogo. Don't worry, Mr. Agogo, I have information about you. I will share that one here. Also, I will share it exclusive. I'll drop that one also in the next few minutes. Now, there's one particular person I'm trying to get the name. This guy lives in the Volta region, and this guy has been working with barrista. Barrista is in a serious trouble. So, see, the barrista there, why you no free this Atasa, aka Igbo leader, no, you win from because on person no. So that guy also has its own share in this presentation. Stay with me, Senebeya. You know all that these people are doing because the Igbo King, and I said the self-acclaimed Igbo leader, okay, he has a plan, and plan one. There are other people involved. Some people, and yes, omoni dahu. By courtesy of program, you invite you, we are journalists, they give you no coffee, then gradually they are falling into the trap of this guy. There's one journalist saying I'm a catcher. I've been trying to reach out, but I'm not getting him to talk to him or him. So I'm saying, I'm trying to reach out. We are Madame for Pan, so I want to make sure, before I bring your name on board, I will check with you, okay? So that's why I'm not bringing you. But there's one journalist who has also been all right, guys, so like I'm saying, there's one journalist. That journalist, let me wait until I get the information right, then I'll start putting you on a real hook a time. All right, now let's talk about Jataba. How did Jataba got himself into this Igbo King thing? Okay, allegedly, according to information I'm picking, Jataba started mingling with this guy like 4 years ago, and he's been around him until he got access to him and all that. Now, Jataba is being there, and he's the one that this guy is using to penetrate through the Ashanti region. Okay? He's the one, chief, whatever his name is using to penetrate through the Ashanti region. Okay? Nyama bebre ena sa papa no waye. Okay? Nyama bebre ena waye. Now, latest information reaching us, HSA, after the massive disgrace of the Igbo king, self-acclaimed Igbo king, okay, this Jataba guy is trying to use one of the kings, one of the chiefs, okay, one of the chiefs of Otumfuo to pass behind closed doors to go and see him again. Okay, so that's what we are picking, information we are picking. And information what we are getting is that Jataba is trying to connive again with the self-acclaimed Igbo king to go and see Otumfuo on a different day altogether. Okay, and Timunya Shellenson, if it happen, you know that is what he's doing right now. He came out, he was the only person that came thanking people on behalf of Otumfuo. He's the only person. Now he's trying, he's trying to use him around. Okay, he's trying to use him around. And again, one of the things I understand from my intelligence and from my intel and from my team in Israel, my ghost team in Israel, this particular guy is going around trying to contact people. Then he will be able to use this gate again with the Igbo leader to go and see Otumfuo to say, oh, we couldn't shake you the last time. Now I caught Chiano. Now I caught Chiano. No, they are any no, you are photo, no. So guys, listen, Jataba is still on the move. Jataba has never rested. After the humiliation, Jataba has never rested. So we see if we say Jataba was arrested, yeah, or arrested, yeah, cry. He's moving around and working so hard to ensure, say, he will be able to make ends meet from that particular, because before Ombeko Yeno Krano, Jataba no onya kwembio, onya bibi, emo assurance say he will do anything to make sure, say, they will go and see the king and greet the king. Okay, sir? Assurance and the more. So information we are getting allegedly. Say okwa hono biom no eye Igbo king no nibufu no. Okay, self-acclaim atasa o atasa ehinetu bufu ayi Jataba say now you talk say this thing everything be cool. How if you go inside there, then we go give us some place make we go sit. So intawantawa kakrebi and I say talking kakrebi bomuntem ebra nasa incident ni see, you know. That is the intel we are picking. Okay, so Jataba is not done. Okay, he's not done. He's still working. He's working to ensure, say, he will bring the Igbo leader close to Otumfuo. Muntiemiye. So when you see that thing happening before the end of the year, then you know. Okay, if you see that thing happening before the end of the year, then you know what I'm saying, because Jataba is the one doing all those nyama. All those nyama. He's the one doing. He's the traitor. Ukoka among Ventiasi, or a traitor. He's a sellout. Jataba is a sellout. He's selling all of you out in Ashanti region. Or no, and oh yes, sir. Okay, Jataba. Now, let's talk about the PRO. Agogo or Agongo. Now let me tell you, Agongo or Agogo. After King Tekochiru the second, King Takitaya Chekoturu, stop put this guy not to celebrate or have his own young festival in Ghana. No, this is what this PRO is doing. This PRO have been sent to go to some woolmen in the let me call it in the Nungwa area. Okay, there are some small chiefs. Those small chiefs in the Nungwa area, no. Omunsu, because of Nokofio, those people, no, they are also close to it. So these Agogo guy, the PRO, is being used to go there and go and make some nyama, and then to penetrate through allegedly on the what do you call that one? The Nungwa, okay? Because he visited the Nungwa when the Nungwa festival was going on to go and spray one CD. So time for help. No. So this Agogo or Agongo guy is the one that they are being used. They are using him to go and get more information as to how they will pass through there to go and see the Nungwa Manche, who is the Greater Accra Regional House of Chief President, and then they can go and see the Ga Manche, who is the Ga Traditional Council President. Hear me? Not hear ye. So this is what this guy is doing. He's using these two people to conquer two kingdoms. Okay? Senior Beya, they will be able to pass through after the massive disgrace. That is what he's using this Agogo guy to. Now let me speak in Ga, so it will go straight to Miss Agogo. Miss Agogo, Ganyobi Jibo. In your yake, none of you ohi kano. Keje homonijiobo, okay? Keje homonijiobo. Alo ona ko shikadan taflache. Alo ona ko mokoni he shikadan kwenono of your thing. Ejake film yake no fio ohi kahe Mr. Agogo ni ahwe nya hi ahye bona aka kusa atwubo ni bulu jibo ewo ohiefo bulu na wole bulu te etele bulu te ya ite atwule ya ne ya na onupa ekomeye nunwa kuna aga manchenwo kuna akpafai. That's what you are trying to do. Now let me address you, Mr. Agogo, or say Mr. Agongo. You have forgotten, said this same Igbo guy, this same Igbo leader guy, he's the one saying that, oh, before the government even suspend my thing, me, I have decided to suspend it. See, this guy, this same guy you are trying to aid, or no, the same person, and a Troy can say, or granted press conference. He didn't even keep quiet. He granted a press conference because you, Mr. Agogo, you are the one that urged him. You supported him, you pushed him, you were behind him, you were the one that saying that one koya unimbegwasi coffee or him ashweshi. You and Jataba was also pushing him. No, you have to do it. If you don't do it, unimbegwasi. Anka Igbo king will keep quiet too. Anka Igbo leader after disgrace obey, he will keep quiet. These two guys, they were the people that were behind him, pushing him, telling him what to do. If you don't do it, they will just say that you Unima Guasio, oh here Shweshi, Igbo leader, has no fee. And then he also called the media. The media also came there. All the media people that came there, they were also sell out. Allegedly, they collect on no coffee. I don't want to mention the amount, but allegedly, no. Understand that each of you, edgy is 250 or 500 Ghana cedis. In between that amount, I don't want to call the amount, but in between that amount, all the journalists that went there for that particular press conference, after the Igbo leader was disgraced, you guys were giving some amount of 500 to 300 in between for your transportation and your nyama. We know that one. We are getting all those filler. Eguhase filler, all the filler is here in our hands. We are holding it tight and we are making sure, say, until we get all the names surrounding, we will not bring all the filler out. But you guys took some money from him after that. And Agongo and what do you call Jataba, they are the people behind all these things that is going on. They are the one handling everything. They are the one making all the chuku. These two people, they are the people doing this. Okay. Now, let me talk about barrista. For barrista, like I told you, barrista is in trouble. So barrista is not talking about it. But there's one IGBO boy in the Volta region. You are being used. Be careful. Let me tell you. Once I get your name, okay, information reaching me, HSA, you are being used around the Volta region. Once I get your name, I will drop it here. Bam. I will be the first person to drop your name. Hold on. You think it's a joke? I will drop your name like never before. Bam. I will drop it. You are being used in the Volta region, okay, to just do also the dirty work of this Igbo leader in the Volta region. You are being used and you know it. You know it yourself. Now barrista was part of you. You and barrista was doing that dirty job for the Igbo leader in that commune, in those two areas. Now that the guy is in trouble, you also doing your bid. You are going around. Masa, whatever is going on, we get the inside out clear. We get it. Sikano ya di mamu na mu chicha. You people go share and pepe. They go share. Then some people go start the hunu about it. Then the whole thing will come out. You understand me? So these are the things that is going on in the Igbo kingdom. Okay, now let me tell you guys something also. There is one immigration officer who is also a fancy person who is linked to the Igbo leader's wife. I will do a video about that woman. Be careful. If you are not careful, I will mention your name. Okay, you are aiding them. Esan say uye fantininti. You feel say the wife called you, so you want to aid them. You are aiding them. If you don't take care, I will mention your name. Udenu Sophia wom. Okay, let me mention couple of them. Ama Sophia. The rest of the name, me mboni sisi but Ama Sophia ewom. Me bo say name, all the immigration officers will know. But Ama Sophia be ewo me bo half of the name e dia chow. Say be ya uti dina. All the things that you are doing, you stop. Okay, there's immigration officer B. That police officer who is in the police headquarters, you have part of your name. I'm trying to put everything together. Stop calling them and telling them what Mr. Dr. Hassan Yariga and the Patriotic Concern Youth Association for no or no. Stop. If you don't stop telling them, calling them and telling them, oh, today they were here, oh, or Muba how, and they did this, oh, and they did that, oh, and this, oh, and this. If you don't stop that, I will mention your name. I'm telling you, I am going to mention your name. I'm giving you some days to stop. I will mention your name. Listen to me. I say, if you don't stop, I am going to mention your name, and you can do FOCO. Allegedly, you are doing this, and I'm going to mention your name under the same allegedly until you are recorded and play. I'll play. Once you do it again, I'll find somebody to record you in your office. Because if we don't stop, you guys will struggle. Now, before I leave, there's another video where I saw, and these Nigerian guys saying, I'm telling you, they think that they are wise. See, when we want to sack them, xenophobic. When they want to sack some people, it's not xenophobic. Why they are here there? John Dramani Mahama. Before I go, let me leave this message with you once again. Mahama, please don't be a father of all. Okay? Now, don't be a father of all. Ebusia, the other one I'll add before I'll go, no, those people that were removed from the US to Ghana, majority of them or some of them Togo, they said the Ghana government they are there. Ghana government, they leave all those guys for Togo. They are just sleeping in a hotel. They didn't send them to their country. Most of them are in Togo. Ebusia, that's what we are hearing. That's what we are hearing. John Mahama, did you receive those guys to send them to Togo, or you received them to send them to Nigeria? If you received them to send them to Togo, Mr. John Dramani Mahama, please, you are back from the United States of America. Bomodiana Yeshua say, those people that you take from the US, you send them back to where they belong, Nigeria. Send them there because they are talking. They are talking. You sell them out. That's what they are saying. You say that the Omukasa, you betray them because they didn't want to come and you forcefully bring them. Okay, now the thing is this. Some way, somehow, me, I do understand, because most of the guys that were arrested in the state and they want to deport them, most of them have a Ghanaian passport. Guys, most of them that Mahama accept. Most of them that Mahama accept. I'm telling you, they have Ghanaian passport. How did I know? There's one of the guys that I know long ago. One guy be na minimum. Now, minimum was US, right? But me said no only those things. And recently, me wana me nya message on my Facebook. Na Ghana kasa ade Ghana. Where I say, Oga, what happened? He say he then deport me. What happened? They say, oh, this thing happened where John Mahama say. So one of those guys, no, I thought you always say, oh, you don't know now. I don't get Ghana passport before. So those guys now, you are mona be do Ghana. No, I'm telling you guys, some of them have Ghanaian passport. I can tell you on authority. If not because of the guy say, it be somebody where me they ain't work before, where I don't want to show him face and come in the face, no, but you know what I will say before I leave, guys. If you know you can protect that guy, okay, if you can protect him without showing his face, DM me and tell me, Top Gossip, I want to see the picture of the guy who has a Ghanaian passport. Tell me you want to see, and I'll share that to you on the comment section. Let's do this. That's